Last month, I diagnosed 17 different vehicles in my shop with the exact same frustrating problem. 17 different drivers, 17 different makes and models, and 17 different stories, but all of them were burning through fuel like someone had punched a hole straight through their gas tank. And the most confusing part for these drivers? There was absolutely no check engine light on the dashboard. The engines sounded perfectly smooth. After 23 years working as a mechanic, I watch this happen all the time. I see veteran drivers, careful guys, who have been on the road for decades and change their oil religiously, spending thousands of dollars on expensive fuel system cleanings, massive tune-ups, and brand new oxygen sensors, completely ignoring the real invisible leaks. They naturally assume their engine is just getting old and tired. But these hidden points of neglect are quietly costing you anywhere from $300 to $700 extra at the gas pump every single month. Today on Core Car, I'm going to show you the 5 invisible fuel drains emptying your wallet right now. You need to make absolutely sure you stick around for number 1, because the absolute biggest culprit draining your fuel economy is a tiny $15 piece of plastic that secretly forces your engine to run in permanent winter mode. Let us start with the wheels. Number 5, the dragging anchor. You back out of your driveway and head down the same road you have driven for 10 years. The truck feels fine. You do not hear any grinding noises, and the steering wheel is completely straight. But every time you let off the gas pedal, the vehicle seems to slow down just a little bit faster than it used to. You probably assume it is just the heavy tires or normal wind resistance. But down at your wheels, you might be dragging a massive, invisible anchor. Every time you press the brake pedal, hydraulic fluid forces heavy steel brake pads against the spinning metal rotors to stop your car. When you let go of the pedal, those pads are supposed to retract completely. But as your vehicle ages, the steel guide pins that hold the brake calipers get exposed to years of rain, road salt, and dirt. The factory grease dries up and the pins rust. When that happens, the brake pads do not release. They stay clamped against the spinning rotor while you drive. It is the mechanical equivalent of driving down the highway with your emergency parking brakes slightly pulled up. Your engine has to physically fight that constant heavy friction non-stop. That constant drag forces your engine to burn up to 10% more fuel just to maintain normal speeds. Over a single year, that is easily $300 in wasted gasoline. Next time you take a long drive, walk around your car and carefully hold your hand near each wheel without touching the hot metal. You can actually feel this yourself. If one wheel is radiating significantly more heat than the others, you have a dragging caliper. A mechanic can clean and lubricate those slide pins for about $50, instantly returning your lost fuel economy. Before we go any further, if these maintenance secrets are helping you, a quick like helps Core Car reach other veteran drivers who need this information. Let us keep going. Fixing a dragging wheel is a huge physical relief for your engine. But our next fuel drain happens entirely inside the exhaust pipe, and it involves a part that gets incredibly lazy over time. Number 4, the lazy sensor. You have owned your vehicle for 7 or 8 years. It runs smoothly, starts up fine every morning, and gets you to work without any drama. But if you look closely at your fuel receipts over the last 2 years, your gas mileage has slowly dropped. You used to get 400 miles on a single tank, and now you are barely hitting 320. Most drivers accept this as normal engine aging, assuming internal mechanical parts are just wearing out. But engines do not just naturally start drinking more fuel as they get older. The most common culprit is sitting right in the middle of your exhaust pipe. It is called the upstream oxygen sensor. This small electronic probe measures exactly how much unburned oxygen is leaving the engine cylinders. Your engine computer uses that precise measurement to constantly adjust the air and fuel mixture. When it is brand new, this sensor reacts to changes in milliseconds. But after 80,000 miles of being blasted by incredibly hot, toxic exhaust gases, the sensor becomes coated in thick carbon and ash. It does not die completely. If it did, it would instantly trigger a check engine light on your dashboard. Instead, it just gets incredibly lazy. It reacts slowly, Because it cannot read the exhaust gases fast enough, the engine computer defaults to a safer, richer fuel mixture just to prevent engine damage. You are essentially driving around with the fuel system permanently overfeeding the engine. An oxygen sensor is a $50 part, and any local shop can unscrew the old one and plug in a new one in about 15 minutes. Replacing a lazy upstream sensor can instantly restore 10 to 15% of your original fuel economy, saving you hundreds of dollars a year. Sensors naturally get lazy over time, but there is one specific sensor that does not just get lazy, it actively lies to the computer, and we will get to that massive fuel drain very soon. First, let us look at how your engine actually breathes. Number 3. The carbon chokehold. You press the gas pedal to merge onto the highway, but the acceleration feels lazy and heavy. When you pull up to a red light, the engine RPMs dip down dangerously low and the truck shudders just a little bit, almost like it wants to stall. You might automatically assume your aging transmission is starting to slip, or maybe your spark plugs are completely shot. Most drivers just accept this sluggish feeling as a normal part of driving an older vehicle. But your mechanical hardware is probably fine. The actual problem is that the main breathing gateway into your engine is physically suffocating. This part is called the throttle body. Picture a thick metal tube with a round metal flap inside that flips open and closed every time your foot touches the gas pedal to let fresh air in. Each time you shut your engine off, hot oil vapors naturally rise from the hot engine cylinders and bake onto the back of that metal flap. Over 7 or 8 years of daily driving, this forms a thick, sticky ring of hard black carbon sludge. When you hit the gas, the metal valve physically sticks against that sludge, causing hesitation. When it tries to maintain a steady idle at a stoplight, that ring of carbon completely blocks the minimal airflow the engine desperately needs. The engine computer panics and dumps in extra fuel just to keep the engine alive, secretly draining your gas tank. Fixing this does not require an expensive trip to the mechanic. Take the rubber air intake hose off. Take a clean rag soaked in dedicated throttle body cleaner. Do not use harsh, old-school carburetor cleaner, and carefully wipe away that black sludge. If your vehicle has an electronic throttle, do not manually force the flap open. Just wipe the edges clean. For $10 and 20 minutes of work, that crisp throttle response will come right back. Cleaning out that carbon is incredibly satisfying. But before we look at the next hidden fuel drain, I need to share a quick story about a customer that completely changed how I look at vehicle maintenance. I had a customer pull into my shop last October. She drove a well-maintained SUV with 60,000 miles on it. She never skipped an oil change, but her fuel economy suddenly dropped by 40%. She was frustrated because she did everything right, yet something invisible was quietly draining her gas tank. I plugged in my scanner and found the exact digital lie we will cover at number 1. But before we get to that digital lie, let's look at a mechanical part that is constantly tricking your dashboard right now. Number 2. The stuck thermostat. You start your car on a chilly morning to head to work. Within a few minutes, the heater starts blowing comfortably warm air into the cabin, so you naturally assume the engine is warming up perfectly. You glance down at the temperature gauge on your dashboard, and the needle slowly climbs right up to the middle and stays exactly there. To anyone who has been driving for decades, this looks like a perfectly healthy, reliable engine. But deep inside your cooling system, there is a small mechanical valve called the thermostat. Its only job is to control the flow of liquid coolant. When you first start a cold engine, this valve stays tightly closed, keeping the fluid trapped inside the engine block so the heavy metal can heat up quickly. Once it reaches the perfect operating temperature of around 200 degrees, the valve springs open, allowing the hot fluid to flow into the radiator to cool down. However, over years of constant heating and cooling, the metal spring inside that valve gets tired. It begins opening way too early, or worse, it gets physically jammed partially open all the time. Your engine constantly receives a flow of cold liquid and never actually reaches its optimal, efficient operating temperature. You might think you would notice this on your dashboard, but most modern temperature gauges are incredibly deceptive. They are programmed to point dead center as long as the engine is simply warm, hiding the fact that your engine might be running 50 degrees colder than it should. Because the engine is running too cool, the computer reacts by continuously dumping extra gasoline into the cylinders, desperately trying to build up heat that simply escapes. Replacing a tired thermostat is usually a $20 part, but it stops hundreds of dollars in unburned fuel from washing out your tailpipe. Engine temperature controls exactly how much fuel you burn, but that deceptive dashboard gauge is actually hiding a much more expensive digital secret. And it leads us directly to the absolute biggest fuel drain of them all. If that simple $20 fix just saved you hundreds, drop a quick like, because this final digital secret changes absolutely everything. Number 1. The digital lie. You have checked your tire pressure, you replaced your lazy oxygen sensor, and your engine is breathing perfectly. You start your vehicle in the morning, the heater blows hot within minutes, and the temperature gauge on your dashboard points perfectly to the middle. You naturally assume your engine is completely healthy and fully warmed up. But your vehicle might be suffering from the most expensive digital lie in modern mechanics. Here is the invisible truth. Your vehicle actually has two completely separate temperature sensors. One sensor controls the visual gauge on your dashboard just to tell you the engine is not overheating. But buried deep inside the engine block is a second, entirely separate sensor called the coolant temperature sensor. This tiny $15 piece of plastic sends critical digital data directly to your engine computer. When you first start a cold engine on a freezing morning, this sensor tells the computer that the heavy metal block is cold. The computer reacts perfectly by dumping a massive amount of extra fuel into the cylinders to keep the cold engine running smoothly. This is called cold start enrichment. But over years of being blasted by boiling hot chemical coolant and engine vibration, the internal electrical resistor inside this tiny sensor begins to drift. It does not die completely, it just gets incredibly lazy and inaccurate. It starts quietly telling the computer that the engine is stone cold, even when you have been driving on the highway for an hour. Because the computer genuinely believes the engine is freezing, it continuously commands the fuel injectors to stay wide open, dumping up to 40% more fuel than your engine actually needs to run properly. You are driving in permanent winter mode, burning fuel like you are pushing through a blizzard even in the middle of summer. And because the computer thinks it is doing the exact right thing based on that bad data, it never triggers a check engine light. The only symptom is your gas mileage dropping like a rock. You can test this yourself without a mechanic. Most auto parts stores will lend you a basic digital code scanner for free. Plug it in under your steering wheel while the engine is fully warmed up. If your dashboard gauge says normal, but your scanner shows the engine coolant is only at 60 or 70 degrees, you have definitively found the lie. Buy a $15 replacement sensor. Unscrew the old one from the engine block, screw the new one in, and plug the wire back in. It takes 20 minutes and a basic wrench. That single $15 piece of plastic is exactly why I saw an accountant save over $4,000 in wasted gasoline in just 1 year. He tracked every fuel purchase and realized this tiny electronic lie was quietly stealing over $300 from him each month. You do not always need a massive repair bill to get your fuel economy back. Sometimes you just need to fix the data. How many of these invisible fuel drains were you already checking? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If this video saved you a trip to the mechanic, subscribing to Core Car is worth it. Every video we make is designed to keep more money in your pocket. But before you go, there is one more thing most drivers get completely wrong. Core Car's next video covers the fuel myths that are quietly costing you at every single fill-up. It is right here. Do not miss it.